Hello guys, good morning. Kumustang morning nyo? Hello everyone. Ito tayo, magko-coffee pa guys. Champion pala ito guys. So, ito pa tayo guys. Ito yung update natin. Kumusta kayo guys? I hope you had a good sleep. Kumustang morning nyo? Kumustang morning nyo guys? Kumustang araw? Hello everyone. Good evening. Sa iba dyan. To some people out there, good evening. Kasi evening na din sa iba guys. So, dito sa Philippines is morning. So, have a good day and good morning to all. Kumusta kayo guys? Ayun. Meron pa tayo nito guys. Oh. Diba? Pwede pa talaga guys. Ang init. So guys, let's have merienda pa guys. Pamainit.